In this lesson, you are going to learn about lines of symmetry. A shape has a line of symmetry if, when folded over that line, the two halves of the shape match up exactly. Different shapes have a different number of lines of symmetry. In this lesson, we will see how many lines of symmetry are in an isosceles triangle, a rectangle, and a parallelogram. Shape 1. The isosceles triangle. If we fold the isosceles triangle down the middle, the two halves of the triangle will match up. This is the only way in which the triangle can be folded, making two matching halves. Therefore, an isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry. Let's draw the line of symmetry on our isosceles triangle. When drawing the line of symmetry onto an object, you should make sure that 1. You draw a dotted line. 2. The line extends beyond the object. Shape 2. The rectangle. How many lines of symmetry does a rectangle have? We can fold a rectangle down the middle, widthways. We can also fold a rectangle across the middle, heightways. Therefore, a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Once again, when you are drawing in the lines of symmetry, you should make sure that 1. You draw a dotted line, and 2. The line extends beyond the object. Shape 3. The parallelogram. Here is a parallelogram. Can you see any ways which we can fold it so that the two halves match up? No, there are no lines of symmetry. A parallelogram has no lines of symmetry. Finally, let's look at how to complete a shape if you are given half of the shape and a line of symmetry on the shape. Here is half of a triangle with the line of symmetry marked on it. Draw the other half of the shape using the line of symmetry that is shown. This is quite easy to do. The half of the base which we can see is 5 squares to the left of the line of symmetry. Count 5 squares to the right of the line of symmetry and mark a point. Then, join up the sides to complete the shape. Notice that the solution is an isosceles triangle. In this lesson, you have learned how to draw in lines of symmetry, and also how to complete a shape given a line of symmetry.